What's up, YouTube? I hope you watched the video with me and my son. It was pretty cute because he was asking me not only when I walked out the door, but when I was getting ready. Well, actually, it wasn't the first time he asked me for a video. I think he actually got a bit jealous because me and Cayden actually had a video. We was outside messing around in the car, and I think I was recording before Cayden came outside, but Cayden ended up wanting to take the Civic for a ride down the street. And let's not forget, Cayden actually came up with the Civic. Like, Cayden was in the car till that thing broke down. So Cayden knows that car as well as I do too. But Cayden wanted to take a ride in the car. He thinks the car is fast. It's a Honda Civic. There's no such thing as that thing being fast. It's a single cam. But yeah, we took a ride down the street, and I told him we're gonna put this one back. We're gonna close it up. We all done with it. That he wanted to take a video and drive my Hyundai. And it was so funny because when we got in the car, he was like, "Can you go fast?" And I was like, "We're gonna try." I sit here and floor it. He was like, "Daddy, this car is not fast." I was like, "Hey, I know, Cayden, I know." Just an update, like, with everything, like content. I'm trying to think. I'm doing like a lot of finding of what's going on, period. Like, I got the camera right here. I have the camera on my phone. There's no reason why I should be lacking on any of the content. I got my MacBook right here. I actually was like, yo, I just charged the camera up. I'm still at work. I'm getting ready to go to the gym after I clock out from here. It's only it's 8:08, so I still got some time to go. But yeah, I've been seeing a lot of people talking about wanting to join, start YouTubing, and I want to just say that it is the easiest thing to do. There's nothing complicated about it. The only thing that you're going to have to master, and not really master, it doesn't even take a geek to edit. You have iMovie. You have iMovie on your phone. You have iMovie on your computer. If you only can work with a phone right now, just do it. Don't sit here and say, I gotta wait until I get a computer to start doing this. That's just an excuse, because I've always said it. I always said I needed a MacBook to do the videos, but then I ended up opening up iMovie on the phone, and it was the easiest thing to do. Now, the hardest thing for some people to do, if you don't like, you're scared of crowds, is exactly what I'm doing right now. If you notice that I shifted all eye contact from, instead of staring at myself, I'm now staring at the lens itself. It could be very hard. It can be so hard, but you just got to overcome and get over the fears that you have, because no way that fear is just going to go away. You got to get rid of it. So you scared of the cameraman, nobody's watching. As I'm recording this right now, somebody could actually be listening to me, but that's good if they are, because then they get in firsthand before I put this up on YouTube. So at the end of the day, somebody could be listening to me. I got over that fear. I used to fear a lot, and I still do, like, a little bit. I can't hear my own voice. Like, you know, when you go back and like watch a story on Snapchat and stuff, like I'd be like hella scared to re-watch what I put, because I'm afraid to hear my own voice. But you got to get over it, and it don't just happen just like that. You gotta practice on it, and you can do it. Trust me. If I can do it, if anybody out there in the world, there's a lot of people that's talking on camera right now, and that, you know, they get off that camera and they express how open it makes them feel, because it does a lot. Like, I don't talk like this to anyone, but knowingly that I'm not talking to anybody but this camera right now, I feel free. It makes me feel very free, makes me feel very social. I mean, it's a long way, but it gets the job done, and I'm telling you, it made me a lot more social with anything and everyone. And just like I said, if you're thinking about doing YouTube, please do it. It will benefit you a lot. It will help you a lot with everything in your life. You won't regret it at all. You won't. You will learn a lot, and you will want to teach a lot, because it's a lot of stuff that you would think that you never would have been able to do. You can do it. And the only when you can say you can't do it is just because you're just telling yourself, and that's just an excuse. Stop making excuses and get your life together. Get your things together, man. Get everything together. Just start knocking everything out. Punch everything one by one, and just power through this, man. YouTube is easy. It is easy to do. Like I said, iMovie is completely free. That is the best part right there. All you need to do is take a little, the video doesn't even have to be more than 3 minutes. It doesn't. It does not at all. As long as you have a purpose for that video, you're good. And even there's no such thing as being a waste of time. Somebody on the internet is looking for what you're putting up. They might not find it now, they might not find it tomorrow, but someday they definitely will. So just put up what you got, and it's going to work out at the end. So touching bases on anything else, I still can't disclose anything that I got trying to go on, but I'm definitely trying to better myself, because it's just what I'm doing right now ain't it, man. And I mean, it's not my daily job that it's in a way. It's just everything is. I feel like I'm really supposed to be rich. I feel like I'm really supposed to be rich. There's a lot of things that I want, and I'm not saying that I sit here and be like, damn, I ain't got this, I ain't got that. I could have had this, I could have had that. It's nothing like that. It's just I just believe that I feel like I'm supposed to be rich, so I'm going to attack that, and I'm going to make it happen. Just like you want to start YouTube, just make it happen. I feel like if you're very creative and you sit and watch YouTube, you're wasting your time and talent. If you're very creative, you should be doing this. You definitely should be doing it, because it takes a lot of creativity. I lack creativity, but guess what? I still made this video and you're watching. So, like I just showed you that you're watching the video, I'm going to somehow just slide off from you watching this. Do me a favor, if you like my words of encouragement, see? And you can make mistakes. You can definitely make mistakes. I can edit this out, but I'm just going to leave it, because I just want to show you that you can make mistakes. But I'm going to exit this out with thank you for watching. I hope you have the blessed 2020 and just become the best person that you can be. But before you go, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notifications on to be alerted when the new content is coming out. This is definitely coming out. You don't want to miss it. Smash that like button and drop a comment down below. I'm Koran. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here. Peace.